Hi, it's Steve here, and it is Wednesday, May 8th, 2019. Just making some dinner, some spaghetti with marinara sauce, and going to make a salad. Now, I have a quick prep food grater that I got for free hosting a Pampered Chef party here. So here it is, the little crank to grate the produce. You have a container here that holds 15 cups worth of vegetables. And it comes with 3 containers. I seem to have lost one of my containers. Oh no, I didn't. I have the coarse grater that you can use for grating Parmesan cheese, chocolate, and cauliflower. Now I have one of the graters on here right now. I put a towel between my hand and the blade so I don't get cut. And then I just turn this counterclockwise, and this is the slicer that you can use for cabbage and carrots. And then I have the a fine grater for zucchini, for squash, and for cheese. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my cheese, tighten this up clockwise, I'm going to take my cheese, I have some sharp cheddar, and I do have a top guard here that'll keep this stuff from flying around. And what I'm going to do is just put this on an angle. And this is the like a little food pusher thing that you can use. And just go clockwise. And I'm just going to get the rest of it. And then I'm going to take this off. And I'm going to use the slicer, turning this clockwise to tighten. For the cabbage. Just grating this, and it just go clockwise. And then I can use a carrot. You use the wide end, you just put it down in, and you just push and rotate. So I got some carrot slices with some cabbage. I got some shredded cheese here, put on the salad with green leaf lettuce. This comes with a 3-year warranty. The container, the food pusher, as well as the blades are all dishwasher safe. It just helps make your meal prep that much better. And if you are interested in learning more about how you can get discounted and free kitchen items, if you want to host a party, I can help you with that, and you can get some quality stuff in your kitchen to make your meal prepping and planning that much better. And then you can also make extra money doing what I'm doing, having others host parties, but I'm there to help you with the party. So Again, if you're interested, message me below. My name is Stephen Fovozzo. I am on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, as well as YouTube. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon.